Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Axon Easy 130 neck banding system. We're powered up at 440 single phase voltage. Uses its own transformer system. Come in here, you'll see it has the stainless steel tabletop chain on it. We can change that to a Delrin or acetal if you care to. It's mounted with the previous holders it has on it, and there are some additional change parts if you have bottles or containers that are difficult to carry on a conveyor, like this would have been. Now right here you'll see the tunnel is in the up position as we're not operating. When we hit auto, tunnel moves down and starts running. Now what's happening is stroking twice per each holder, because you'll see there are sets of 4 fingers that would have held the previous bottle in position. So the eye is seeing each one twice. Gaining temperature right now. Rather nice feature on this. If we do run into this once in a while, you'll see there's a blower built into the side, bringing air inside of the conveyor body to help slow that down, or cool it down rather. We have lots of equipment in our stock in process and packaging equipment, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you today. Thanks for joining us for this video.